This is problem number 2 given in appendix for CCP exam. From the following, calculate break-even point expressed in units and in amount of sales in rupees. Number 2, number of units that must be sold to earn a profit of rupees 6 lakh per year. You are given basic information: sales price 20 per unit, variable manufacturing cost, variable selling cost, fixed factory overhead 5,40,000, fixed selling cost 2,52,000. What is our first question? We have to find out break-even point both in units as well as amount of sales. Here I am not going to make use of formula and all. I will take you through that template approach. Already I have explained this structure. You will have sales. From sales, you have to deduct the variable cost or say the marginal cost. That will give you contribution. From that, you have to deduct fixed cost, and that will give you profit. At break-even sale, there will be no profit, no loss. And here, we have to find out the break-even point both in terms of units as well as in terms of amount. So here, when we attempt to find out the break-even sale, what will happen to the profit? It will be 0. Fixed cost will remain fixed. What is the existing fixed cost? They have two fixed costs, 5,40,000 plus 2,52,000. That is 7,92,000 is the overall fixed cost. That's going to remain same, 7,92,000. At break-even sale, their contribution should also be same 7,92,000. Only then profit or loss will be 0. Okay, so now we got an idea that at break-even sale, contribution is going to be 7,92,000. In the same pace, we can proceed with the calculation and we can arrive at the sales figure. Let's do that. But before that, let's understand what is the exact relationship between the sales and contribution. For that, I'll have a small working here. We know selling price is 20. So I'll put that selling price is 20. From that selling price, I have to deduct the variable cost. I have two variable cost, 11 plus 3, overall 14. So variable cost is 14. So I get contribution 20 minus 14, 6. So the relationship between the contribution and sales, that is C by S into 100 we say. We also call it as PV ratio. 6 by 20 into 100, it works out to 3%. So that is the relationship. Okay, sorry, I said 3%, it's 30%. 6 by 20 into 100 is 30%. It means this contribution of 7,92,000 what we have now is actually 30%. So if this 7,92,000 is 30%, then what is 100%? Simple calculation, 7,92,000 divided by 30 into 100, and that's giving value as 26,40,000. So here we can write 26,40,000 is the sales. And this also communicates something else. That is, this contribution is 30%. Sales is 100%. So automatically, what is the variable cost? It is 70%. Because from 100, if you deduct 70 only, you will get 30%. So if 26,40,000 is 100%, 7,92,000 is 30%, then the variable cost here is 70%, and that works out to 18,48,000. Of course, we are not going to make use of this information anywhere, but here we got one critical information, that is break-even sales in terms of value is 26,40,000. But we should also find out what is the break-even sales in terms of units. That is simple. Take the sale value 26,40,000 divided by selling price per unit. What is the selling price per unit? It is 20 rupees. Okay. So it is 26,40,000 divided by 20, and that works out to 1,32,000 units. Okay. It means when the number of units sold is 1,32,000, sales will be 26,40,000, and as a result, profit or loss will be 0. So that means it's a break-even sales. Let's move on to the second question. Number of units that must be sold to earn a profit of rupees 6 lakh. Let's go to this table. In this place, what we need is profit of 6 lakh. It means this fixed cost of 7,92,000 will continue. So over here, we should have a contribution that supports both this fixed cost and a profit. That is profit of 6 lakhs. So let's have that computation over here. Sales minus variable cost will give you contribution. From that, deduct fixed cost, and that will give you profit. And now we are clear about profit. We need a profit of how much? 6 lakhs. And we are aware our fixed cost is 7,92,000. It means our contribution should support both. So what should be our contribution? 7,92,000 plus 6 lakh. It should be 13,92,000. Okay. And question is, we have to find out number of units. So they are not asking what is the sales. We just have to find out how many units have to be sold to achieve a profit. And we know the relationship between the contribution and sales is something like this. That is, it is 30%. Okay. It means this contribution is basically 30% on one side. And the other critical information is contribution per unit is 6 rupees. So we are going to make use of this information only. Okay. We'll make use of this information, that is contribution per unit is 6 rupees. So we'll take 13,92,000, we'll divide it by 6, and that will give us 2,32,000. So this 2,32,000 is actually the number of units that should be sold in order to achieve a profit of 6 lakhs. If you want to check that, you can do by multiplying this 2,32,000 with the selling price of 20. So 2,32,000 into 20 will give you 46,40,000. And already we have seen that variable cost is going to be 70% of this. So 46,40,000 into 70% will give you 32,48,000. So from 46,40,000, if you subtract 32,48,000, automatically you are going to get this 13,92,000. So which proves that it is correct. From that, deduct the fixed cost of 7,92,000. So you get a profit of 6 lakh. So answering the question, how many units should be sold to achieve a profit of 6 lakh? It is 2,32,000 units.